Let's see. All right, you're Michael Ramirez.
Correct.
Mr. Ramirez, you're charged with unlawful installation of a tracking device. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On August 11, 2024, complaining in this case informed officers that she got a notification on her phone that the defendant was near her residence. She stated that she reviewed her home surveillance and saw the defendant crawl by her car and put some object in her back bumper. Her friend downloaded a tile finder app which finds GPS air tags, and they searched for the tag and located it. The complainant then called the defendant and asked if he had placed it there, and he admitted to putting the tile GPS or putting the tile GPS tag in her car. The complainant and the defendant were in a 7-month relationship prior to the incident.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that there's probable cause. Just bear with me 1 second. Hold on. Yes. Yeah.
If you ask me a question, I guess they play. I just I prefer not to answer. But just say yes or no. You can ask me questions.
Okay. So what is the, counsel, do you know the relationship between the defendant and the complaining witness? How long of a dating relationship was this?
7 months.
Year.
A year, about approximately 27 months.
Okay. Do you have the rip done? Do we know if she wants to have contact with him?
I attempted it yesterday and didn't receive it.
Okay. Do you know if she wants to have a relationship with you, or is it over?
Yeah, it was just.
I don't want to talk about the case. I just want to know going forward, but it's over, right?
Yeah.
No, not technically. It's either yes or it's a no. This isn't horseshoes or hand grenades. Okay, it's over. I'm now making that a condition of your bond. You're not to have any contact with this person whatsoever. In so much, I think I'm even going to order what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. This is a court order that identifies Madison Palacios as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072, that's Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. You cannot stalk, threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where she lives or where she works. I want you to know that I'm well within my right to put an ankle monitor on you, so I know that you're not having any issues or going near her. I don't want to have to do that now. If I have to do that, it's going to cost you an extra $500 of your money having to pay for this machine. I'm not going to put it on you now, but if I get wind that you're going near her, that you're trying to contact her, you're trying to harass her, you're trying to do anything, and I don't care if she calls you. If she calls you and goes, hey, let's make it up, I've ordered no contact. You cannot have contact with her. Do you understand?
Sure.
If you violate this court order, the state can and will file additional violation of protective order charges against you. And that's about as bad as they come in misdemeanor court. You violate those, I can hold you at no bond. Zero bond until this case is over with. And I will do it in a heartbeat to protect every person in this county. You understand?
Sure.
Now, you have a lawyer. He will take care of you. It's your responsibility to stay in touch with him. If he tells me that he can't get a hold of you because you're playing games, you're not responding to phone calls or text messages, likewise, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. You will not get any more PR bonds if you pick up a new case, violate conditions, don't stay in touch with counsel. No more PR bonds. You understand?
Sure.
Okay. I need him to sign conditions in the MOAB. So what we're going to do is we'll have him sign a reset now. We'll have him take a seat in the jury box. Can you file no weapons and no contact, please? We'll have him sign all the conditions, and after that, you guys will be free to go.
Your Honor, is his next appearance waived?
Yes,
All right, thank you.
I will waive your appearance. That's why I'm telling you, you must stay in contact with him. So you don't have to waste your time coming to court, but you have to stay in contact with him. If he tells me you're MIA, so goes your bond. You understand?
Sure.
All right, guys, come on.
All right.